I'm traveling to the old city of Akko, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ruled by the Romans, Ottomans, Crusaders, Mamelukes, Byzantines and the British, the city contains some of the oldest archaeological ruins in Israel, and beneath the ground is a whole other universe of tunnels, remnants from the Crusader period. Okay. Wait, look up! Look up! So magical. No?
Did you rich? You guys. On the way back. Yeah, but they didn't need that much.
So today we're visiting, you know which city? No, it's Akko, right? But it's my second favorite city. Yeah, second favorite city.
What is your first?
My first, Jerusalem. First favorite city in here. So we purchased a ticket for the Da Vinci's exhibition, which is also included, but the ticket costs 69 shekel, otherwise it's 49. מה זה? כן, אבל מתחילים עולמות האבירים, Knights Halls, Kingdom of the Knights. יאללה, let's see. Right? Oh, you need. Oh, Vitruvian man.
Huh.
You see? Huh? So we begin our tour with the Da Vinci Exhibition. Leonardo da Vinci's exhibition. Wow, 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 wow. Nice. Wow, I can see here the picture of the Last Supper. The painting of the Last Supper. Here it is. Last Supper, the famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci. Oh, this must be a flying machine. To enter the prisoner hall, which is from the Crusader period. Nice, cool here. It's cool here inside. Nice.
אמור ללכת למספר 4.
The hoser? Okay. Now, so it's a really nice place to okay? Let's go to the second room. And then I will approve.
Nice. Hidden hall. I'm a hidden hall. What? אבל עצם האווירה זה שאת הולכת במקום כזה old ancient, כן, מדהים, פשוט מדהים. Who knows? It's a trap. It's like a labyrinth of... What?
תסתכלי רגע איזה קטנים הם היו. זה היה דלתות לבתי מגורים.
דלתות?
תסתכלי איזה קטנים הם היו.
These were the doors?
כן.
Not the windows?
No, this one again.
So, what is this? Oh. Wow. This is spectacular. Wow. Look at this. Great. You know, this is my favorite place here. It looks so impressive, these things. One of the beautiful and the best halls here. What do you say? This is my favorite hall.
This one?
Yeah. You know why?
Why?
It's very beautiful.
I like this one.
Which one? Right, the road? Let's go to the tunnel. Let's go to the tunnel. Tunnel we have down here.
Yeah, let's go.
Over here. Ah, here it is. What is this? Follow the arrow.
That's... Ah. Let's go to the tunnel.
Let's go to the tunnel. מה?
נראה איזה.
גם אני? אז בואי. ברוכה.
אני לחתכים.
יאללה, הנה.
מאחורה מקדמה.
איפה זה? מה? You're not scared? You're not scared to go to the tunnel? Here is the tunnel. Yay. No, I'll keep you here. אורית, עכשיו תני לי לעבור לשם. עכשיו.
עכשיו? כן.
See?
What?
Come.
No. What should I see?
The camera! What else? Oh, that's it. So soon. I told it.
So let's go back.
No. Come.
תודה.
Prison.
תראי, זה גם זה.
מה?
בטלפון.
מה זה?
רגע, יש שם גם זה.
נו, פריזן.
לא, זה לא נראה לי פריזן.
אז מה?
זה גם איזה תעלה משהו. תסתכלי, את רואה?
וואו.
זה גם...
Tunnel.
כן.
But scary one, I should tell you, because it's very low and it's very dark.
But it is probably because the people at that period were short.
Are you sure?
No, but you saw the doors.
Or maybe, yeah. Okay. Oh, I thought it's ended. And it's just the beginning.
Yeah.
You been here before?
I'm not sure I've been in the tunnel.
Oh.
I was at a night home, I remember. I was at the garden outside. I can't remember the rest.
What, you can't remember?
If I've been there
Okay.
or not.
See,
What?
they were low sailing.
בבקשה.
Yes.
Because the
People were short, yeah.
were very short.
Yeah. Oh, it's slippery also.
Gigantic anti-Semites. They attacked the Jews. They killed many Jews. They stole our money. They stole almost half the European Jewry were killed by the quote-unquote religious saints. So here's the tombstone of one of these guys. There's original tombstones over there. This is how he
Stones of the saints.
He looked very high. He felt very high to himself. That was intentional. That's meant to be a sword. But I mean, if you're a gal like that, you'd also be sad to go leave this world. I mean, look at his face, right?
So, this is the Al-Jazzar Mosque. You know, last time I came to Akko, I went inside.
Inside?
Yes. So now we're going to visit the Turkish bathhouse from the Ottoman Empire time period. What? גם. כן. What is there? Aha. מה? What did he say?
את רוצה כזה?
לא, לא.
לא, אין צורך. עכשיו בגן והוא יבוא להכניס אותנו.
אין אנשים פה? יואו, look at this. Wow, look at this bath. Listen. כן. Women also went, yes. Women, then men separately, of course. Okay. Oh.
פינות מנוחה.
מוזיקה.
Amazing.
מוזיקה. וואי וואי וואי, איזה כיף. תקשיב איזה כיף פה. מסאג', סאונה. קיצור, אוי, סליחה.
תסתכלי את הגודל שזה, את רואה איזה גודל הם היו?
כן. קטנים. אני יודעת, זה עדיין קיים בטורקיה, המון טורקים.
אני יודעת.
הולכים.
הייתי.
ברוסיה גם יש מלא.
כן.
גם הלכתי. פה אין, נכון?
בארץ.
Look at the shoes.
כן, בדיוק הסתכלתי.
Oh, look. Impressive. Impressive place. Impressive bath. What? Cat. Towels must be also from that time. No, they, of course they washed them, but they're from that time. But we, no?
No
They
way.
look old. See?
זה החזיק, זה בא, זה מתכלה, זה...
Hmm? Let's go.
Okay, let's have a look.
What do you want to look at?
Good.
Hmm? Turn left. Ah, turn left. Turn right here. Look, why? I mean, look, they put these pictures here. It's Sufi, a Sufi in his 50s. He fell in love with a young woman, but was unable to marry her, and took up alcohol as a means of escaping the sadness and disappointment. He worked as a porter and carried the pain and suffered throughout his life. Oh yeah, shush.
Sad story.
Very sad story. When it's one-sided love.
Right.
Yes. Here. What is this? Look at the chairs. What do you mean? It's all his?
Is the restaurant?
No. I mean, we're near a restaurant, but look at the chairs. It's an art. It's an art. All this street is an art.
Look at it.
Ashash house. Wow, this is an art. Look at these chairs.
Time, cheers. מושט, מקורמל.
This is
Ceviche. I don't remember what kind of ceviche.
Fish.
Ceviche is a fish.
Ceviche fish. Wow, this is really an art. So you're going to try this art?
Of course.
And then I will try? Look at this.
I'm gonna take it with my hand.
With hand?
Of course. Only with my hand.
No. How is this guy? Is he tasty?
Amazing.
Amazing.
וואי, טעים. ממש.
You know what I call it?
Cookies and jam.
No, do you know what I call like these dishes? Art on a plate.
וואו,
איזה דג זה?
אורן.
קסם.
זה הטריקי. וואי, נפלא, נהדר.
Okay. Wow. Looks delicious, no?
זה נראה... זה עם חלב קוקוס. חלב קוקוס. וואי, זה מריח.
זה טעים. It's very delicious. It's mouth-watering. And I have no words. I'm going to eat. Good afternoon everyone, we are in Akko. Special episode today from Akko, and why special episode? Because here with me is Uri Jeremias, and he is the owner of a very famous restaurant in Akko. You can see Uri Buri, and yes, and we just had an amazing delicious lunch at the restaurant. All the dishes that he gave us were just mouth-watering, really. And every time you visit Akko, I highly recommend you to come to this restaurant. Uri, just a couple of words for our viewers. Okay, can you please tell me, when did you open the restaurant? How long is the restaurant open?
1989.
1989, okay.
And we are open here in Acre. We started in Aria, and here in Akko since 97.
Okay.
And we are welcoming anyone who wants to enjoy the wonders of Akko as one of the oldest cities in the world and one of the most beautiful and exciting ones, with really a very thrilling history. And you're welcome and enjoy the things we are here offering in our restaurant.
I saw that you have very rich menu of fish dishes, right?
Yeah.
But what else do you serve otherwise? Always fish dishes?
We
Or?
have fish, vegan and vegetarian food.
Yes.
We don't have meat.
Meat, right. Okay. Thank you so much, Uri.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. And please make sure when you are in Akko, visit Uri Buri Restaurant, the best restaurant in Akko. We really enjoyed the food. באמת.
Welcome
תודה רבה,
anytime.
תודה רבה.
Welcome anytime.
תודה רבה, אורי.
Lovely, excellent day. Brilliant day.
We had an excellent day. We had an excellent time exploring, touring the Akko, right? My friend can tell you that she really enjoyed the food. Did you enjoy the food at Uri Buri?
I enjoy company. I
Oh.
enjoy the food.
Company
I
is very
enjoy-
important, right?
It
Yes.
is the most important.
Yes.
And I enjoy the food. I enjoy Akko. I enjoy the day.
Me too.
You, my dear friend. Let's go home.
So sweet, so sweet. So sweet.
I think we need to eat knafe.
Yalla.
Pashut.
Knafe? Wow, look at this. I like this market. Wow. Hine. Knafe. So my friend is craving knafe. What a knafe. Wow, wow. Wow.
תודה רבה.
after having a delicious lunch, now it's time, of course, for what?
For dessert.
Dessert, okay, of course. And I'm eating baklava.
Baklava.
Wow.
And you will also taste the knafe.
No
I
way.
bought knafe. Yeah,
No
you
way.
must.
No
Yeah,
way.
you must try it.
Amazing. Let's go.
Yalla. Let's go.